This is a CM based ROM and it's based on CM 12.1 beta 3. So as you all know that CM 12.1 beta 3 has some bugs in it. So although those bugs will be present in this ROM also. So this also has some nice features built right into it. All those CM features as well as some of the CrDroid features right into it. So let's jump into those right now. So you just have the signature quick pull down, that if you pull from the right you will go right into the quick toggles, and if you pull from the left you will go to the notification area. This is a very nice feature to have. This is built right into this ROM. So under settings you have many things to customize here. First of all, under SIM cards you can customize the SIM card slots that you want to be active. You can either activate or deactivate each SIM card slots according to how you want. So this is a very nice feature to have. Under sounds, there is an option for linking ringtone and notification volume, and you can also customize the timeout for volume panel. That is the panel which is shown when clicking the volume up or volume down buttons. You can have two different ringtones for SIM 1 and SIM 2, which is a very nice feature. And there is also a feature for launching the music app by just plugging in the headset. Under other sounds, you can customize a bunch of sounds, that is dial pad tones, screen locking sounds, touch sounds, volume adjustment sounds. And the addition here is that you can activate or deactivate a sound while plugging in a power source. You also have a vibrate option here while plugging in or plugging out a power source. So that's it. You just have this much customization under sounds. So now under display and settings, you don't have much things to customize here. You have live display, under which you can customize the color temperature of your screen according to your day and night. You guys can see that now the color temperature of the screen has changed. So you can just play out with this and you can have the best that suits you. Under display mode you have 4 modes for these color temperatures: automatic, off, day and night. I personally like the automatic mode because it just switches according to the day and night. Color calibration feature is also available, from which you can calibrate the colors of your display. So you just have the double tap to sleep in status bar, which is a very nice feature to have. And there is also wake on plug. Then there is an option for customizing the LCD density of the device. So changing the DPI will just reboot the device and make the changes come. The best feature of CM based ROMs are expanded desktop. This will hide the navigation as well as status bar in every applications or any applications that you want. You can hide the status bar, the navigation bar, or hide both the navigation and status bar. So it's a really nice feature to have, and enabling it in all applications will just remove the status and navigation bar, which you can access by just by a swipe from the bottom or from the upper part of your screen. And you can also customize the recents search bar that is shown in the recents panel. And also you can have a clear all recents button, which is not available in stock ROM and which is a must feature for all Android Lollipop devices as well as every Android devices. You can see a small icon here. By clicking it you can clear all the active applications from the background. So that's the customizations that you get under display and lights. So you does have the signature theming engine from CM12, which will allow you to theme each and every part of your device. Under notification manager, you can customize the heads up notification. You can customize the swipe behavior, touch outside behavior, the timeout for the notifications, as well as blacklist some apps which don't want heads up notifications, as well as have a do not disturb mode. So that's the only thing that you have to customize under notification manager. So jumping into the lock screen, you can customize the shortcuts under the lock screen. You can have applications, activities, bookmarks, calculator, contacts, and some other bunch of features which can be accessed directly from the lock screen. You can customize both the shortcuts of the lock screens, as well as you can display a music visualizer in a lock screen. I will just show you guys now. So as you guys can see now that there is a music visualizer in the lock screen while playing a music, which is a very nice feature to have. And you can also customize these uh, music visualizers. That is, you can either activate or disable these music visualizer under lock screen settings. You also have some customizations under buttons. You can either enable or disable the navigation bar, which is a very nice feature to have, but be careful with this feature. Disabling the navigation bar will make it difficult for navigating through the user interface. uh, so you have a left hand mode in this ROM, which is a very nice feature for left handed people, and there is an option for customizing the navigation bar height as well as the navigation bar width, which is a very nice feature. And this feature is not available in cyanogen mode ROM. This is an exclusive feature for CrDroid Rom. And you can also show the arrow keys while typing. That is, these arrow keys, these only appear while typing. And there is an option for customizing the layout and the buttons that are shown in the navigation bar. Navigation ring targets is also built into this ROM, which is a very easy way for having shortcuts in this ROM. Pie control is integrated to this ROM, which you can use for easy navigation as well as easy shortcuts for some apps. So you have many customizations under buttons, such as waking up the device by using the volume keys and swapping the volume keys, etc. You can also have these volume keys for changing the songs when listening to a music. Multi-user facility is also available in this ROM, which was removed from the stock 5.1.1 built for AndroidOne devices. You can add an user or delete a user under this feature, and adding or deleting a user will just reboot the device and make the changes come. Uh, so you just have some more customizations under this ROM. You can have system profiles, which you can customize under system profiles, and also there is an option for customizing the status bar, which consists of the normal customizations such as customizing the clock, AM, PM style, battery status style, which consists of 5 options such as icon, portrait, landscape, circle, text and hidden, etc. There is an option for showing the battery percentage, that is inside the circle or next to the icon. And you can also disable the sim empty icons that are shown in the status bar. The signature brightness control feature is also available in this ROM for increasing or decreasing the brightness from the status bar itself. And that's it. These are the basic customization that you can do under status bar. Under notification drawer, you can customize the quick pull down. you can either have it on the right, left, or you can just disable that feature. Show weather is another feature which is very nice to have, which will show the weather right under this settings button. Sorry guys, I don't have internet connection now, so I cannot show you that feature now. You can also have expanded notifications under the notification bar, which is a really handy feature, and customizations of the tiles as well as adding or deleting an extra tile is also available in this ROM. You can either add heads up, compass, color inversion, and some other bunch of features from it, and you can also delete the features that you don't want from the navigation, from the status bar or notification drawer. You also have the advanced location setting, which is a very nice feature to have, which will make the location tile just as that of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth tile, which does have another user interface under the icon, which will help you to select between the modes, such as battery saving, device only, high accuracy, etc., which is a very nice feature to have. You can also disable the quick settings or quick toggles under the lock screen, or having a locking pattern, etc. Um so under privacy, you have a privacy guard for managing each and every applications, or what each and every applications can access under your system. This is just as the app ops module, which can be used in stock ROM, which is a very nice feature to have. You also have a blacklist feature in which you can block any caller. So that's the customizations that you get in this CrDroid beta ROM. So coming to the performance of this ROM has been pretty smooth and stable, uh, and it does have some bugs in it which are expected as it's a beta ROM. So first of all, let's look at the bugs that we have in this ROM. uh, I did face some app crashes such as WhatsApp crash, music app crash, etc. in this ROM, and there is also a proximity sensor bug. I think it's a CM bug, which will not wake the screen after a call, which is a very annoying bug. And let's hope that this bug gets fixed in next update. And there is also no 3G access in SIM card 2. This is a CM beta 3 ROM. So if you try to change this preferred network type to 3G, it doesn't change. It's just stuck in 2G, and this is a CM 12.1 beta 3 bug. So, and also you does have some battery draining issue in this ROM. That is, while gaming or while calling, the battery drops like hell. That is, a 20 minutes call will drop about 20 to 25 percentage of battery life, battery percentage in this ROM, which is not a very nice bug. uh, so that's the bugs that I have faced in this ROM. So let's hope that all these bugs are fixed in the next update. As this is a beta ROM, all these bugs are to be expected. So coming to the battery life of this ROM, I get about 2.5 to 3 hours of screen on time in this ROM, which is very less compared to all other custom ROMs for AndroidOne device. So in a usage of about 12 hours, I get about 2.5 hours of screen on time, and in a usage of about 9 hours, I get about 3 hours and 12 minutes, around 3 hours of screen on time on this ROM. So that's it guys, that's my experience with this CrDroid beta ROM by using this ROM for the last 4 days. So like and subscribe my channel for more custom ROM reviews, and also the links are in the description for downloading this ROM and also for flashing this ROM. Uh, so that's it guys, bye.